If you like garlic, you'll love black garlic. This is a delicacy and it's pretty easy to make. I'll show you how I do it. I use a slow cooker and I take whole bulbs of garlic. I've got these large ones and I wrap them in saran wrap and then I wrap them in tin foil. Then I put them in here. I let it sit in the warm cycle. So you just plug it in, it goes to warm cycle, and I just leave it there. I left it there for 12 days, and the result was I've got black garlic. You could leave it a little bit longer if you want to. Some people leave it for a month, but it depends on the temperature of the incubator you're using. This, on a warm cycle, it heats up to about 70 degrees Celsius, so it's more than enough to do the job. And anyhow, it works really well. And well, one warning though, it produces a lot of fumes. It smells garlicky in your house, so if you can put up with that, you'll be okay, because it's worth the trouble. If you want to ward off vampires and COVID-19, this thing's gonna do it for you. If you can't handle the smell, then you can always ferment it in your garage where no one really's gonna care until you move the car. Nice thing about black garlic is it sweetens up as it ages. So this is 2 weeks old, and I'm going to finish it off with, it'll be with this balsamic vinegar we got from Greece actually. I'll let it it'll continue the process of sweetening up in here. And it helps, it acts like a brine to preserve it in essence, and then store it in the fridge whenever you want a little snack. This is like a gourmet item to us. It's very flavorful. It's, you know, it's like, it makes the garlic mild after this process, and it sweetens it up. So it's really a novelty item to have. We love it. You will too.